Hi everyone, I'm Mike Cortesis from the Cortesis Real Estate team. We're at 447 Campbell Street in Cobourg. This lovely bungalow is situated in a nice area within walking distance to the CCC and schools. Come on in, let's go take a look. As you walk in, you'll enter the living room and open concept kitchen. On the main level, there are 3 bedrooms, and a 4-piece bath. The lower level has a great-sized rec room, there's also a bedroom, an office, a laundry room, and a 3-piece bath. There's a great sized backyard with 2 sheds and a deck.